bronzer. The shade Bhajan Gyal. How much bronzer is too much bronzer? I love bronzer. But always use the blush with the brush. I'll do rest of my base after doing my eye makeup. Only takes around 15 to 20 minutes. You can do it with a suit, lehenga, sari, anything. It's perfect. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. So in today's video we are going to do this makeup which is perfect for a wedding guest makeup look, and if it's your best friend's wedding, your sister, brother, any wedding, this look is perfect. Plus it's very beginner friendly, it's very easy to recreate. Just watch the whole video and let's get into it. Always remember to wipe your face before doing any makeup, guys. Even though you wash your face, just wipe your face with a face wipe. जितनी भी dirt होगी सारी उस time के लिए makeup के लिए निकल जाती है, because you don't want makeup to go into your pores. First things first, we'll prep our skin. I'm using collagen, Charlotte Tilbury Collagen Fusion Oil. It's really good for your skin, guys, and collagen the best. So this makeup look is going to be very easy and doable. Next up, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. These are the products, I know, little bit on expensive side, but definitely worth investing in. Really good for your skin, and as a makeup base, the products are really nice. Just massage your face in upwards direction. So usually I do not use foundation, but for wedding guest makeup look or Indian makeup look, I like to use foundation as a base. This step is up to you. Trust me, I'm just using it for this YouTube video. Mostly I ignore using foundation. I just don't like using foundation that much. Just apply it. I like to apply the foundation as it dots में. It covers my base properly. Tip. I know blenders are really easy to use, and इतने time से people have been using blenders only, but if you can shift to brushes then please do, because it's the best thing for your base. Because blush जिस तरीके से blend करता है आपके base को, blenders उस तरीके से नहीं कर पाते हैं. It's been a long journey for me of shifting from blender to brushes, but I've been loving it. So the foundation which I use is from K Beauty in the shade 120Y Light, and the makeup which I'm doing, guys, it's beginner friendly. So if you're new to makeup, you can just do this makeup routine very easily. It's not too much. Okay, now that I'm done with my foundation, next for contour I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. ये makeup video करते हुए मुझे realize हो रहा है मेरे पास Charlotte Tilbury के products बहुत है. I personally love these products. That's why I use them on daily basis. So guys, जहाँ से मेरा hairline खत्म होती है, जहाँ पर मेरी side locks जहाँ से मेरे start होते हैं, usually मैं वहाँ से contour करना ऐसे dots में start करती हूँ, and then on the bridge of my nose, not on the bridge but side nose bone पे ऐसे, and just like to contour my eyes also. I have very small forehead, so मैं इतना ज़्यादा forehead पे prefer नहीं करती हूँ contour करना, because already बहुत small है. Then jawline. Again using a brush to blend. That easy to blend the contour with the brush. It's very easy. It feels like I'm painting my face right now. Now that we are done with the contour, the next step is concealer. Guys, I like to use two concealers, one from L'Oreal Paris and one from Milagro Beauty. This one is really nice. पहले मैंने concealer कभी use नहीं करा था, but when I started using it, it's really nice. Plus the coverage is very good. And infallible L'Oreal Paris is an OG. So for a darker shade of concealer to conceal all the blemishes, acne and under eyes, little bit. Just blend it with the brush. I mean, just look at the coverage. It's that amazing. I'll do rest of my base after doing my eye makeup. So let's quickly move to our eye makeup. So the palette which I use for any Indian makeup or any makeup look is this one from Mario Beauty. I got it from Paris. I know it's not available in India, but there's one palette from K Beauty which is similar to Makeup by Mario, and the shades are very similar. So you can go for that one. I'll put a picture over here so you can get a reference. So for the base of my eye, I'm using this cream shade. So this is just the base. उसके ऊपर we'll do everything. And trust me, it's very easy, guys. And eyes में ना मुझे लगता है बहुत लोग ऐसे डर जाते हैं, क्योंकि when I started makeup मुझे भी बहुत ऐसे डर लगता था eyes करते हुए. But I've realized जितना calmly और जितना अच्छे से आप blend करोगे ना eyes को, या not even eyes but जितना calmly आप अपने makeup को blend करोगे, उतना ज़्यादा आपका makeup flawless आता है. The key is blending. Next step is kajal. Just apply the kajal as if you're applying eyeliner. जितना भी close हो सकता है अपनी lash line से उतना close apply करना है इसको. Both the eyes, ऐसा कुछ इतना जरूरी नहीं है कि इसको even होना है या नहीं. Can be messy because anyway we have to blend the kajal. Next is blending. Just take a small brush जिसकी tip ऐसी सी हो, so that it gets easy to blend. Oh God, make sure you don't open your eyes with the kajal because it's very humid outside. थोड़ा सा भी if you delay with any blending, ऊपर eyes पे लग जाता है. So the blending can be messy in this step क्योंकि इसके ऊपर we'll apply more. Next, I'm taking light brown shade, just like this one, and we'll blend everything together. Look guys, it's coming together. Just trust the process. Next up, take a very small angle brush and take black eyeshadow and just go over your lash line very calmly. You just need an illusion. That's it. Can you see guys? मैंने क्या करा है, आई शेडो लेकर बिल्कुल आई लाइनर की तरह मैंने अपनी लैश लाइन पे आई शेडो लगाया है, so that वो थोड़ा सा स्मोकी फीलिंग आ जाती है. We can wipe off the extra बाद में, so don't worry about that. Take a wipe and just wipe off the extra from here. Just clean the extra. I'm taking a lighter shade of concealer. Just apply it under your eyes. And for definition, here also, under your cheekbones, nose, and all the areas. यहाँ पर पहले हमने दूसरा concealer apply करा था. Again, blend it with brush. Now guys, I'm using Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Bajan Gyal. I don't know how to pronounce it. Take powder bronzer and go over the cream bronzer or liquid bronzer for more definition and for more contouring. How much bronzer is too much bronzer? I love bronzer. Now I'm using cream blush. This one from Huda Beauty, Burning Cherry. I love this blush guys. But always use the blush with a brush and just dab the extra on your hand. Go over your contour. I like to apply blush on my nose also and a little bit on my chin. Base is all done. It's time to set your base. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25 medium. Take a brush, dab the extra, set your makeup. Take the eyeshadow palette, use a darker shade of brown. I'm using this one and apply on your lower lash line. Not too much, just a little. Next step is mascara. I'm using this mascara from K Beauty. This one's really nice guys. You can clearly see the difference. I'll show you. Look in my eyes guys. इस पे mascara and इस पे नहीं है, and you can clearly see the difference. I don't like to do 2 coats for my lashes because I feel 1 coat is enough, but you can definitely do 2 coats. For me, 1 is enough. Now it's time for lip. Let's do dark lip liner and nude lipstick. I love that lip combo. So the lip liner I'm using is Chestnut from MAC. Just blend the lip liner with your finger. Over it, I'm using Huda Beauty Wifey. Just wait for the combo guys, it's that amazing. For my eyebrows, I'm using eyebrow styler from MAC. Just brush the eyebrows upwards and I'm just filling the gaps. We are all done guys. Lastly, I'm using Pixi Beauty's setting spray. It's very refreshing, I swear, I love it. As soon as you apply the setting spray, usi time just apply the highlighter so that, I don't know, it's a trick. My highlighter definitely stays for longer period of time. You can apply the highlighter on your inner corners also. I want my lips to be glossy. I'm using Lip Maximizer from Dior. And yeah, we are done. I'm quickly going to change and see you guys with my final look. This is the final look. It was really easy to do this makeup, and trust me, it only takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Once you get used to this makeup, it's perfect for every Indian attire, and you can do it basically with a suit, lehenga, sari, anything. It's perfect. मैंने पूरा अपना try करा था to do the makeup step by step, and I hope आपको समझ आया हो. Let me know if you like this video in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.